Good evening to everyone. Of course, to Vice Mayor Bianca Gozon, City Councilor Christian Manalaysay, Councilor Benji Merino, to all our department heads, kay Mr. Lloyd Luna, our guest speaker, to PCCI Bataan President Mr. John Kalugay, to all our distinguished guests, lalong-lalo na po to, of course, foremost our top businesses, top real property taxpayers, and the recipients of the Invest Balanga Kagitingan Accord. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Of course, I would like to thank Vista Mall also for letting us have our event tonight. So thank you everyone for joining us tonight. This is the 4th Invest Balanga Awards, and we're here to recognize the contribution of the various businesses and enterprises to the economic development of our city in terms of income generation, employment, economic performance, and of course, their commitment to their corporate social responsibility or paying it forward to the community. We at the City Government of Balanga will be working even harder to offer you quality services and to ensure that we all collaborate towards the shared goal of realizing our vision and mission. Once again, congratulations to all our awardees, and reminder po na simula pa lang po itong lahat. Ito pa lang po yung beginning of an even greater Balanga, of a greater Bataan, kung saan we have inclusive development for all, and kung saan po lahat po ng our businesses and investors will prosper at the same time as all our constituents in an ideal, healthy environment po. Again, maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ngayong gabi. Thank you po.
So, sige. Alam niyo po, no, ako po yung nag-aaral pa ng college, umattend ako ng mga seminars, dalawa lang yung reason. Number 1, required yung attendance. Ikalawa, libre yung pagkain. So one day nung nag-seminar ako, sobrang boring nung nagsasalita. Sabi ko, one day hindi ako magiging ganyan. Pag naging speaker ko balang araw, never kong papatayin sa board ang mga audience ko. So ngayong gabing ito, katuparan ng pangako ko, wala pong uuwing patay. Hindi lang alam ko. So sa lahat ng mga nandito, hindi lang po ako isang speaker, komedyante rin po ako. Pag nag-joke ako at hindi kayo natawa, alam niyo na. Kaya kapag kayong ka-table niyo tumawa, ang suggestion ko po, sundan niyo na. Alright? You wouldn't know how far you can go until you decide you want to go there. Hindi niyo malalaman kung saan kayo makakarating kung di niyo pupuntahan. And for some reason, natatakot tayo na pumunta sa isang lugar dahil baka hindi natin magusto yung pupuntahan natin. Yes or no? So in the process, huwag na lang. Pagbabaguhin mo yung proseso, maayos naman. Ay kung magkamali pa tayo. Ba't gagawa ka ng panibagong negosyo? Okay naman na to. Ba't kailangan mong i-update ang system mo? Bakit kailangan mong i-adapt ang transformation process? Bakit kailangan may baguhin? Okay naman ngayon. In the process, hindi tayo nag-grow. So hindi mo malalaman kung hindi mo pupuntahan. Ngayon ang question ko, kung ang isang lugar na hindi nyo ginustong puntahan, nagkamali kayo, nag-decide kayo ngayon, nagkamali kayo, hindi nyo gusto or hindi favorable ang result based sa decision ninyo, good or bad para sa inyo? Nag-decide kayo, hindi favorable ang result, good or bad? Initially, bad. But, long term, it's good. Tanong nyo kung bakit? At least nalaman ninyo na mali at hindi nyo gusto yung result. From that point, you can start making another decision, try it again. Yung second, thank you. Yung second, mali na naman, ayaw nyo, hindi favorable sa inyo, good or bad? Good pa din. Kasi alam nyo, yung ikalawa, hindi yun yung gusto ninyo. Yung ikatlo, bad pa din, negative pa din, hindi yun yung gusto yung result, good or bad? Good pa din. Kasi yung pangatlo, alam niyo na hindi yun yung gusto ninyo. By the process of elimination, sa buhay natin, kapag ang lahat ng bagay na hindi mo gusto, naubos na, ang matitira yung bagay na gusto mo. At sa katandaan mo, sa buhay na ito, hindi ka naman talaga mapupunta sa tamang tao kung hindi ka nanggaling sa mali.
So there you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a resounding clap to Mr. Lloyd Luna.
tonight, I'd just like to also thank special thanks also to the team who are behind ng event na to, yung pong nagtol, naglabor, at saka talagang maraming preparations na ginawa. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa gabing ito, and to God be all the glory for tonight.